With Prasun I am doing a demonstration for my assignment, that is hybrid VM cloud order scaling here, and where we are doing a load testing of the local VM in the local VM, and whether load exceed the threshold of 70%, it should go to the cloud infrastructure. So what we did here, we simply created two VMs, the Debian virtual machines created on the VirtualBox. VM1 hosts the Node.js microservices, and VM2 acts as a client machine. So we can see we have created both here. It's been started and connected. So first of all, we will check the VM1 for the microservices, whether it is getting successfully executed or not. It is nothing but Node.js microservices, which expose an API endpoint on port 3000. So let's run it. Okay. Okay, so it's successfully executing here. Okay, now let's check it from the second VM, that is the terminal uh, client VM, and if it is getting successfully fetched from there or not. So this is the VM2, you can see over here. Now let's see whether it is able to connect with that. Okay, so finally I did it, accept my awesome hello from the Debian microservices VM1. So it is successfully able to connect. Now we'll move towards the third part of the project, where we need to check the load of this particular application, and we have to test after exceeding the load whether it is able to connect to the cloud infrastructure. Okay, so moving towards, we are running a script for monitoring. So it's nothing but a Python monitoring script that is continuously checking the CPU uses using the psutil library. If CPU utilization exceeds 75% of the memory, then it triggers the AWS cloud infrastructure. You can see as of now the CPU uses is very low. Now what we will do a load test, stress test. We will generate a CPU load to simulate very heavy workload. So we have opened another terminal here, and okay, we are doing the load test. Suddenly the load will increase, you can see with the monitoring script output. Okay, so load has been increased, and okay, you can see that it exceeded 75% up to the 100%, and it has called the Nginx infrastructure. Okay, it is getting successfully connected from there. And how else we can verify this with the help of the terminal of AWS as well, and with the output of the curl for the AWS web server, whether the request is coming or not. So you can check with the curl command. Okay, so it is successfully getting connected. It's from the terminal side that the infrastructure is working fine. Now we can verify this on the AWS server as well. So this is our AWS server. We come to EC2, then load balancer. Okay, so this is the AWS application load balancer that receives the redacted request when the local VM CPU uses exceeds its threshold. Coming over here, this is the target group. The load balancer forward traffic to the registered EC2 instance in this target group. We can check and verify how, okay, health is fine, it's working fine, it is taking the load from the local VM. We can check the instance as well. Web server is the instance on which we are working. Okay, cool. Running, okay, health check pass. On the monitoring tab, you can check the graphs and the various data, that how the sudden spike was there and how it has taken the load from the local VM. It can be verified on going in detail. And third one, this is a GitHub library where I have pushed all the code. Architecture diagram is there, microservice which is running over there, monitoring script, readme, everything is there. So this is the entire project where we have verified that, and we have achieved the local VM scaling to the cloud with the help of the scripts and the connectivity in between them. Thank you from my side, and rest of the details you will find in the report. Thank you. Signing off.